Yo, 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 another day, another dollar with your homeboy Jermaine, and getting this vlog started off. Well, it's a little bit later in the day. I slept in like crazy, and sleep is really important. And sleep is really important. So what I got going on now, I'm gonna go meet up with a friend here. Like, I've been having a blast in Israel. We're about to go have dinner really fast. We're gonna explore other parts of Tel Aviv, and I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride. So for now, let's get this video started. Going down. Alright, so I'm guessing today's vlog is just gonna be a food vlog. It's gonna be one of those vlogs where I just eat and eat and eat. Now we're headed off to this this restaurant called Goodness. If I'm not mistaken, this spot is 100% vegan, and I was just checking out the menu, and the menu looks like, oh, it looks so good, it looks so good, it looks so good. I can't wait to go over there and get some food. Yeah, so these streets right here totally remind me of Europe. And I don't know, I believe this is a British thing, the red and yellow. Alright guys, here's the restaurant. It's Goodness. So can you guys read the Hebrew letters? Goodness. I definitely can't read them. Okay, got some vegan food here. Got some French fries. These French fries look on point. And check out this vegan burger. Look how huge this burger is. And I can't wait to make this disappear, yo. But Goodness, man, that restaurant was really good. A little bad news, I just discovered that I broke the GoPro. There's like this really big crack just straight across the screen. As I was looking at the footage through the viewfinder, it doesn't look like it's that bad. It doesn't look like it's noticeable, so maybe I'll just keep filming with this, but it looks like I'm gonna have to buy a new GoPro on this trip sometime soon. I should wait till I'm in a cheaper country to buy electronics. Definitely would not want to buy a GoPro here in Israel. No way, I did bring an extra backup GoPro, but that GoPro is not as good as this GoPro. Hey, sorry, I'm just talking to my camera. No. Alright, so hours and hours have passed, and now I'm just having some popcorn. And one cool thing about having popcorn here, in the US, whenever you get popcorn from anywhere, it has butter on it. Not here. They just make it without butter. Pretty cool. Next on the list is some vegan ice cream or vegan yogurt, and this one's vegan, and this one, and this one. I'm in heaven right now, and I've already got some yogurt right here. I went with the coconut. Oh, let's make this disappear, yo. I'm loving this. I'm having a blast. Eating my face away, man. Yum. What is this, a Bitcoin store? That's pretty cool. Check it out, guys. You know what this is? This is Bamba. It's got chocolate inside. It's vegan too. This is so good. And they have other flavors of Bamba. They got this flavor, and they got this flavor here of Bamba, and they got this flavor here of Bamba. Oh, I wish I could take back a whole bunch of Bamba to the US. This tastes so good. This one is my favorite. Legit. Bamba. You know anything about Bamba?
Why?
What's the big deal with Bamba?
Take it.
Why? Why should I get Bamba?
Take it.
Is it good? Is it like the best thing ever?
The best. In Israel, the best.
They like Bamba. We should get Bamba.
This is the big package.
Oh, so I should get the big one.
There is the regular, but this is the...
It's better?
Yes.
What about this one? You like this
bigger.
one? You like this one?
This one is the best. Take this one.
This.
Yeah.
That's the best one.
Yes.
And take this one also.
Oh, this one too?
Yeah. That's
All
it.
right.
Halva?
No
No,
carver?
Just
What?
taste it.
Just,
Don't
okay.
ask too much questions.
This,
Just
this,
eat.
and this.
And that's heaven, right?
Yes.
Okay. Cool. This, and this. All right. That's what's up. Quick little recap of the day. Man, ate some amazing vegan food. Broke the GoPro, which is not that big of a deal. Well, it's kind of a big deal. It's like I have another GoPro, like a Hero 5, but it doesn't look the same as the Hero 6, especially with the low light and all the image stabilization. But I can totally deal with it. It's like I brought one camera. I did bring a backup just in case this sort of thing would happen. This trip has been incredible so far. I've been hanging out with locals, and usually when I go travel places, Sometimes I hang out with locals if they speak the language, but a place like Thailand, like locals don't typically speak English that well, so I tend to hang out with more foreigners, more tourists, people from like Europe, Australia, America. But here I'm like hanging out with straight locals, and when you hang out with locals, locals will take you to local places. They'll show you these local spots that you probably won't be able to find if you're hanging out with a whole bunch of tourists, if you're hanging out with a whole bunch of people that's not from that country. So that is one difference I've noticed. Maybe on more trips I should try to hang out with more people that live in the area, or more people that know the area very, very well, because you know, it could be a completely different trip. That's one highlight of this trip so far. I'm not doing like all the touristy stuff. I'm doing other cool things that I wouldn't normally do as a tourist, yo. Man, my vlogging schedule right now is just so out of whack. Like 6 months ago I would literally film a video on one day and I would go to sleep and upload it the next day. And then the month of December I started this deal where I would just film a video the same day and edit it the same day and upload it the same day, and now it's just all over the place. Looks like videos are just gonna come out randomly. I may miss a day or two coming up, just to give you guys the heads up. Don't freak out, don't worry about me. Just check me out on Instagram. If you haven't, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I will leave a link in the description below. I will probably post more photos, a little bit more frequent than videos. So just to throw that out there. So as of now, it's the next morning and I'm getting ready to edit this video. And after I edit this video, I'm gonna go out and shoot another video, because if we look outside right now, it's a spectacular day. Should we walk out there real quick? It's a pretty chill rooftop. So beautiful out here. I definitely need some sunglasses on. So cryptocurrencies, maybe I'll make a cryptocurrency video coming up soon, because it's what can I say, like I've been killing it with cryptocurrencies, you know, with Coin and Bitconnect, the daily interest, reinvesting the money, getting the payouts every day. Maybe I'll talk about that in a video coming up pretty soon. But for now, I think I'm gonna get ready to wrap this video up in this vlog and go out and shoot another video today and explore the day. I think I'm gonna go down to the Mediterranean right now. Let's do that. So yeah, for now, like, comment, subscribe, and thanks a lot for watching, guys. Peace out, yo. Peace out.